Hello friends, today we will learn how to collect gifts from our neighbors. Go to neighbor list, tap on this screen, clean tickets, auto choose and use 15 clean tickets to clean. And wait for 2 minutes, then go back. We can collect the gifts in menu. Go in menu, select gifts. We can ask for gift, for example blueberry. We ask blueberry, tap on ask, select all and then select ask. Now request sent successfully. And now go to messages here. Now you can see we got 2 blueberries gift coins. Now tap on accept and thank all. Now we can accept the gifts from our neighbors. See, these are the gifts we accept. Tap on claim. Thanks for watching. Subscribe our channel and press the bell icon for latest updates.